beautiful people. It's Coach Steph here, and welcome back to Being Unstoppable. If you're new here, welcome. This series is for our young adults, our phenomenal next generation, and it's all about helping you build real confidence, break free from doubt, and take bold steps towards the life you're capable of getting. In episode 1, we talked about the voice of doubt, that quiet inner critique that whispers, "You're not good enough. You're not ready. What if you fail?" We learned to separate ourselves from that voice and even give it a name. We also started a simple doubt tracker to notice when and where that voice likes to speak up. If you've watched episode 1 yet, you can still follow along today, but definitely do go back and watch that video after this one. You'll find it in the playlist section titled Becoming Unstoppable with Coach Steph. So today, we're taking the next step. It's not enough to just notice the lies your inner critique tells you. You need to replace those lies with truth that actually supports your growth. So in this episode, we're going to identify some of your common negative statements, learn how to turn them into truthful, powerful affirmations, create a simple daily practice to start rewriting your mindset. Let's talk about why this matters so much. Every thought you repeat becomes a belief. Every belief you hold influences your behavior. And your behavior shapes your results in life. So if your repeated thoughts are, "I always mess things up," "No one really cares what I have to say," "People like me don't succeed," then over time, you begin to move as if those statements are actually true. You shrink back, you don't try, you don't apply yourself, and you stay silent. Not because you can't, but because you believe you can't. But here's the thing, you can't just say, I won't think negative thoughts anymore and leave it there. Your mind does not like empty spaces. If you remove a thought, you need to replace it with something better. That's what we're going to do today, giving your mind new and healthier sentences to hold on to. If you can grab your notebook or your phone's notepads or app, we're going to do an exercise I call the truth upgrade. So an exercise called the truth upgrade. First, think about some of the sentences your inner critic has been saying lately. These might be statements you saw in your doubt tracker from last week. So write down 3 sentences that feel familiar. They often start with, "I am not," "I can't," "I always," or "I never." For example, "I'm not confident," "I can't speak in front of people," "I always mess things up," "I never finish what I start." So let's pause for a moment so you can write your 3 sentences down. Do pause the video and write your sentences down. Okay, we're back. So ask yourself a simple question about each sentence. Is this a proven fact, or is this a feeling? Most of the time, it's a feeling based on fear, past experiences, or something someone said to you once. You might have had moments where you weren't confident or didn't finish something, but that doesn't mean That's all you are, or all you'll ever be. Recognizing this as a feeling and not a fact already weakens the grip. Now for the upgrade. Let's upgrade the thoughts. Next, to each negative sentence, write a new version that is honest, present or forward-looking, kind to you, and focused on growth. Here are some examples. I'm not confident. You can change that to I'm learning to build my confidence step by step. Another example, I can't speak in front of people. We change that to speaking in front of people makes me nervous, but I can improve with practice. Or I always mess things up. We can change that to I've made mistakes before, but I'm learning and I'm getting better. Or I never finish what I start. We change that to finishing has been hard for me, but I'm becoming someone who follows through. Notice something. We're not pretending everything's perfect. We're simply choosing words that leave room for growth instead of locking you into limitation. So because your mind is used to hearing the negative statements, maybe for years now, you can't just write these new truths once and forget them. You need to speak them regularly. Here's what I want you to do. Choose your 3 upgraded truths and once a day, read them out loud to yourself. You can do it in the morning before you check your phone, at night, before bed, or during a quiet moment in your day. It might feel strange at first, but that's okay. You're introducing your mind to a new way of speaking about you. To help you stay consistent, set a daily reminder on your phone called the Truth Check. When it pops up, pause for a moment, take a breath, and read your 3 truths out loud. This whole routine will take you less than a minute each day. But if you repeat it, it begins to shift the way you see yourself over time. I want you to know something. If your old thoughts feel stronger than your new ones right now, that's normal. You've been practicing those old sentences. I'm not enough. I can't do it. I always fail for a long time. So you're not broken. You're just trained in one direction. Now you're retraining your mind in a new direction. So be patient with yourself while that shift happens. So here's your challenge for this week. Write down 3 negative sentences you often think about yourself. Upgrade each one into a truthful, growth-focused statement. Then set a daily truth tracker reminder on your phone and speak those new truths out loud every day. If you're comfortable, share one of your upgraded truths in the comment section. You never know who might read it and feel encouraged to change their own inner words too. In the next episode, we're going to build on this again. We'll talk about training your inner voice to become your guide instead of your critique. So you're not just replacing thoughts occasionally, you're actually building a supportive inner dialogue day by day. If this has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little encouragement today. I'm Coach Steph, cheering you on. Thank you for taking another step in becoming unstoppable. Thank you for watching. Take care.